Here's a video review article draft for the Google Pixel 9a Obsidian 128 gigabytes with $100 Amazon gift card. Video review article. Google Pixel 9a Obsidian 128 gigabytes, $100 Amazon gift card. Is it the best mid-range deal of 2025? Intro animation. Upbeat tech music with sleek shots of the Pixel 9a spinning, transitioning into host on camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Google's latest mid-range powerhouse, the Pixel 9a in Obsidian with 128 gigabytes of storage. But wait, this one comes with a twist. It includes a $100 Amazon gift card bundled in. Is this the best value smartphone deal of the year? Let's find out. Unboxing experience. Footage unboxing the Pixel 9a. Inside the box we get the Google Pixel 9a Obsidian color, USB-C charging cable and quick switch adapter, SIM tool and basic paperwork, and, if you bought this special deal, a $100 Amazon